Want to make money while you sleep? Today, I'm breaking down real passive income ideas you can start now. Whether you're looking for side hustles that pay you without constant effort or ways to build wealth over time, this video will guide you step by step. We're talking about realistic strategies that anyone, yes, even beginners, can set up today and watch grow in the coming months. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll have a clear action plan to start earning passively. Welcome back to the Money Map. Here, we help you build your income and your freedom. Let's jump straight into the best passive income opportunities for 2025. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your streams of income, these ideas are designed to help you create lasting financial growth without trading all your time for money. Let's get right into it. What is passive income? Passive income means earning money with minimal effort after the initial setup. It's not about getting rich overnight, but about building smart income streams that pay you long-term. It's all about setting up systems today that continue to generate income tomorrow, giving you more freedom and financial security over time. The goal is to work smarter, not harder. Passive income idea number 1. One of the best passive income ideas for beginners is print on demand. Here's how it works. You design simple graphics or slogans, upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Teespring, and when someone buys your design on a t-shirt, mug, or hoodie, you earn a commission without ever handling inventory or shipping. It's perfect for beginners because you don't need a big investment, you don't need to be an expert designer, and once your designs are uploaded, they can keep earning for you passively over time. Passive income idea number 2. Another great passive income idea is creating an online course. You record a few videos teaching something you know, like graphic design, fitness, or even basic cooking, and upload them to platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Every time someone enrolls, you make money. It's awesome for beginners because you create it once, and it can keep paying you for years without any extra work. Passive income idea number 3, dividend stocks. One of the easiest passive income ideas is investing in dividend stocks. You simply buy shares of companies like Coca-Cola or Apple, and then sit back as they pay you dividends, usually every quarter, without you having to lift a finger. It's a great option for beginners because platforms like Robinhood and Webull make it super simple to get started, even if you only have a small amount of money to invest. Passive income idea number 4, YouTube automation. Creating a YouTube channel with faceless videos is a smart and effective strategy, especially when you're aiming for passive income. You can focus on content like motivational quotes, finance tips, or relaxation music, topics that attract a wide audience. By producing these types of videos, you don't need to appear on camera, allowing you to create content without personal exposure. Once your videos begin gaining traction, you can start earning revenue through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. The beauty of this approach lies in the passive income aspect. Your old videos continue to generate views and revenue long after they've been uploaded, making it a powerful way to build a sustainable income stream over time. It's crucial to start small and stay consistent when building your passive income stream on YouTube. Focus on perfecting one type of content, whether it's motivational quotes, finance tips, or relaxation music, before expanding into other areas. Consistency is key to building an audience, as it helps establish trust and keeps viewers coming back for more. Once you've gained momentum and your first income stream begins to grow, focus on scaling it before moving on to another. This approach ensures you're not spreading yourself too thin and allows you to fine-tune your strategies for each income source. By mastering one stream first, you'll set a solid foundation for future success and growth. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Tell me, which passive income idea are you most excited to try? Your thoughts and feedback mean a lot, and I'm here to support you on your journey to financial freedom.